Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your higher and better self. So have you ever considered what it takes to live the good life? Have you ever asked yourself, what do I need to do to live a good life? It's not better time management, it's not setting better goals, and it's certainly not getting more knowledge, going to school, getting more information, because we have tons of information. You have loads of information in your mind. You've probably studied and read and listened to all sorts of information, yet are you living a good life? This is a good question, right? I ask myself this all the time. Do I have enough knowledge? I'm still learning, but have I applied it? So if it's not time management, it's not better goal setting, it's not having more knowledge, what is it then? Well, the key to the good life is to be disciplined. It's being disciplined enough to do the same thing over and over and over again, or doing similar things over and over again. And beyond discipline, it's being consistent. If you study anybody who has tremendous success, could be Elon Musk. I've watched some of his videos, and he has super discipline because he's running 3 major companies, and he can get so much done because he's disciplined with his actions and his time, and he does it consistently. But he focuses mostly on development, on ideas, on creative ideas. That's where he's focusing most of his attention. So the key here is to be consistent and disciplined. And I say that you have to have a PhD. And I'm not talking about the one where you go to school and study for 7 or 8 or 10 years and get a PhD. I'm talking about pig-headed discipline and determination. And if you can do it consistently, like I've been doing these videos every day, if you've been watching them, every day Monday to Friday, for many months now, for probably a year now. So if you can have that kind of discipline, self-discipline to do the kinds of things that you need to do to accomplish the things that are going to move your life forward, then that's the key. The key is to be disciplined in your actions. Do things consistently. Find out what it is that you need to do. Apply the knowledge that you have, because you probably have so much knowledge, and there's so much knowledge available. YouTube is so full of information and knowledge. So you don't need more knowledge, you just need to apply it. You need to apply your thoughts and apply some sort of actions that you can do consistently in a disciplined fashion, daily, not every once in a while. You know what happens when you do things once in a while? You go to the gym once in a while, guess what? Your body reflects that. You go there consistently 3, 4, 5 days a week, and you work out and you eat a healthy diet, guess what? You get the results. It's consistent discipline action. Have a PhD, get a PhD, pig-headed discipline and determination. That's the key here to the good life. And if you can do that, then you'll get control over what's going on in here, because that's the key. Your mindset is your life set. It's going to cause your life to be the way you want it to be. And the good life is only one step away, as long as you can commit to being disciplined and determined and take consistent actions. If you like this video, let me know. Comment below. Don't sit there silently. Let me know what's going on. Let me know if I can help you further. And as always, if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, head over there, because I have other videos that will help you become your highest and best self. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.